Dakota and Orion's Adventures. I'm Jen. Don't mind me. I am barefaced, no makeup, no nothing. But if you're new here, welcome. There goes Orion. Yeah. Hi, baby. You gonna come and bonk all of Mama's stuff? Yeah. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome. If you could, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to all notifications so you get notified of all of my future uploads. That would be fantastic. Today, we have my summer FabFitFun. This box is humongous. Yes, I know there's another box inside, but I know I'll have stuff on top of it. So, but I also got my add-ons from a BoxyCharm. Orion, stop licking me. Oh, it does. No, Orion, stop. I got the 111 Skin, which is the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. I like the stuff from 111 Skin. I have one of their serums in there in my skin fridge. And then I got this. I've tried their, oh gosh, what was it? I think it was one of their eye creams once. I got it in an Ipsy bag. And I really enjoyed it. It was really nice. But I thought this would be really nice too. And they're really spendy. Doesn't really have a smell. So, and it's clear. And no smell is a good thing. It's really thick. Holy mackerel. It says that you can mix it with your moisturizer. So that might be the way to go with as thick as this is. Yeah. No real smell. Because I'm barefaced. I do have my skincare on, but might as well pat it in, you know. It does melt into the skin, so we'll see. But yeah, I mean, I thought that would be nice. I can go to hair everywhere. I can't go anywhere without Coda being there. Which, whatever. And then I got this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I thought I'd give that a go. So, and then I got this absolutely gorgeous, I did swatch it, is all I've done. Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in Champagne Flash. I mean, look. Sorry about that. Sorry for the earbud users. But, I mean, look at this packaging. Stunning. Anyway. But that's what it looks like. I'm not gonna, like, make it go all the way up. But, look at that. Is that not just beautiful? What a gorgeous highlight. Yes. So, there's that. That's what I got from Boxy Add-Ons. So, there's that. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes of why we're here. So, this is the FabFitFun Summer Edition. This is a quarterly box. It costs $49.99. But you can get your first box $10 off, I think it is. I did an annual membership, so I don't know if I got that or not. Oh, my nose is watering. Oh, that highlighter is stuck. Anyway, that's okay. It's got just paper on top. The box is heavy. Yeah, it's got all my add-ons in here, so. My invoice. Okay. So. That smells good. Okay. Oh. And I got a freebie. I don't even know if I can use it. If not, I'll give it to my mom. Oh no. I think I can. No, never mind. Scratch that. Can't use it. Anyway, this was my freebie. I can't use most of their products because they put coconut oil in them. It sucks because they're really good. But my mom's all like, she's addicted to chapstick. And she generally makes her own. So anyway, but this has 70% plus organic lip lux, peppermint, and a vanilla broad spectrum SPF 30 water resistant 80 minutes. So there's that. I didn't, it was a freebie, I guess. So let's just get all this stuff out of here. Oh, put that there. Oh my gosh, this box is so heavy. Out of the way. There we go. Okay. So, for my add-ons that I got. Anyway, with the annual membership, you get to pick 5 of your items out of the 8 that you get in your box. And then with just a month to month, you get to pick 3 of your items. So I got these little bento-y type boxes, lunchbox things. Oh, and this is a lifestyle type box. You can get makeup and stuff in it too, but it's more of a lifestyle type box. So but yeah, I thought this would be really cool. It's dishwasher safe, microwave safe, BPA free. So very cool. We'll get those washed up and put in the kitchen. And then I got this Spongelle. I love Spongelle, but I thought my husband might like this one. If he doesn't, I will use it because it's a Verbena Absolute. It's the men's super buffer. It came in this pack with the other thing that I bought. Oh, and it smells really good. It smells like men's cologne. It smells really good. But it's got 20 plus uses. It's their super buffer. But yeah, it came as a pack with this. And this is the main reason why I got it, was for my husband, because he's been wanting a pair of these Bluetooth headphones for work. So that's why I got them. And then it came with this. So I figured, why not? But so he will be happy with that. So they don't just have women's items. Well, let's get into this here. This is what the box looks like. It's a very nice box, yeah. And these boxes are built really sturdy, so you can reuse them, which is very nice. We like that. This is what it looks like inside. It comes with a magazine, and inside the magazine tells us all about, it has all kinds of cool articles too, but it tells us all about our products. So the first thing here is Bright Sellers. It's a $50 credit from Bright Sellers if you use the code FabSummer. So there we go. So see, there's that. Okay, so these are our options here. There's all kinds. So let's see what there's. It has tissue on the top, so we will break this open. And let's see what the first item is. Okay, so I think I chose this. All members will get a chance to get this purse, or you could have gotten a diffuser, towel, tie-dye towel, a wireless charging pad, lash conditioner, eye cream. I tried to be different this time, you know, because like I get BoxyCharm, and you know, I buy lots of makeup, so I get lots of that kind of stuff. So I tried to be a little bit different. So I got this really super cute little bag. You know, it is really cute. I think it's not worth what they say it's worth, but it is super cute. It is a Draper James outfitted with floral scarf. This flirty bag matches your warm weather outfits. $75. So yeah, and it is big on the inside, and that's what it looks like. And it is, I mean, it is super duper cute, and you can take this little scarf off, but I don't think it's worth $75. But it is super cute, and I will definitely use it, because like I said, I wanted something different. So, I know my aunt's home. What you doing, Dondo? I'm just hanging out with Mom. Okay. And then the next item on the list I definitely didn't pick that. They did not give me, well, they did give me my choices, I think. Oh, I didn't pick that. These must have been like the last two choices. What the heck? Okay. Anyway, so let's see here. I gotta find my next choice. I guess my next choice was these. So these are the R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Perfect Hair Conditioners. These are Achieve Camera Ready Hair. This duo softens, they have safety caps, so that's cool. Softens and strengthens hair while adding body and shine. $64. I think they smell good. I don't know, but ooh. I guess I need to be adding this stuff up. I fail at unboxing today. Wowza, I'm a winner. Okay, so I have $75. Then I have $64. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I was rude and sorry for that. That would be Orion. Wobbling everything. Okay, so the next thing is here. Okay, so the next thing is this, which is, where's my opener? Where did it go? Okay, so I got this Kate Somerville. For some reason I was expecting this to be bigger. I don't know why. Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It is really tiny. It has a little seal there. Goat's milk, jojoba, and avocado. I can't freaking talk today. It just smells like moisturizer. It doesn't really smell, but it is kind of runny. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I mean, it's not like super duper thick like the Juno & Co. Moonlight Cream, but it is, it's not, I mean, it's a moisturizing cream, so it's not like horrible. So I'll give it a go. This gentle formula instantly. I am having a freaking day. Holy mackerel. Is there even an ounce in there? 1.7 fluid ounces. Wow, it just does not look like that much. Instantly absorbs into the skin for a healthy glow. That is a really light moisturizer, but it's nice. It's very nice. I think I might actually put that in here for summertime because that's really nice. $65, because we all know Kate Somerville is ridiculous. $65 hairs. Okay, so there's that. And then I picked so that would have been my 3 if I was a month-to-month member, right? So that would have been my 3 picks. And then if, being that I'm an annual member, I got to pick 2 more. So, My two more picks were this. I got the Zoe Alia Ice Baby Reduce Puffy Eyes and Rejuvenate Tired Skin, $30. I am so stinking excited to try this. This is the ice roller. That's sealed on both ends, so it doesn't matter which side I open. Enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool by Zoe Alia. Gets rid of puffy eyes, redness, tightens, and rejuvenates skin. Achieve radiant, glowing skin in just minutes. Helps to decrease pore size. Well, I don't know about that, but improve skin tone, brighten under eye circles, reduce the appearance of blemishes and fine lines, promote fluid flushing from the face. Directions: leave the ice roller in the freezer for 4 more hours before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. The ice roller can be used on the body to soothe bug bites, sunburn, tense or sore muscles, post-workout, treat bruises and aches, or to lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments. I am so excited to use this. So, especially during the summer, I could have so used this yesterday. It was 103 degrees or something like that here. It was so stinking hot and I was dying. Like, oh, it was just horrible. So, yeah, I'm so excited to use this. So excited. So this will be going in the freezer immediately. Immediately. Yes. Because when you're rocking 110 degrees on the regular, yeah. Yeah. Okay. This is my next one. This is the Grace and Stella. I love Grace and Stella. Everything I've tried from them has been a phenomenal product. Hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. Improve your skin's moisture balance and texture with hyaluronic acid. $25. So, yeah. Super excited for this. Super excited. So, vegan, cruelty free. Love that. Love, love, love that. Love to love you, baby. And then my FabFitFun picks, apparently. The rest are FabFitFun picks. They picked them. Because obviously I would not have picked this first one. Because we all know that Jen is allergic to the coconut. But is it just the it's just fragrance. It's just the fragrance. So maybe I can use, because I don't see any coconut. You put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Okay, so this is the Spongel hand cream coconut verbena. I used to love the Bath and Body Works coconut verbena. Oh, it's beautiful. Pre-allergic to coconut. Anyway, so that's $18. This is nourish and hydrate your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. I didn't see hyaluronic acid, but I wasn't really looking for that. Didn't see macadamia nut oil either. Oh, there it is. Okay. Anyway, so cool. Maybe I can use it because I did not see the coconut. So it must just be a fragrance. Anyway, and then this is another FabFitFun pick. Makeup drop hybrid makeup applicator, $20. This is the same price as a freaking beauty blender. This applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. $20. Okay. Whatever, we'll give it a shot. So there is that. It feels bouncy in here. Can I even get in here? This is the funkiest packaging ever. I am totally going to like destroy this packaging trying to get in here. Oh no, I didn't. It's a miracle. She can be dot. Oh whoa, this is like weird. It is very hard. This part right here is like hard silicone, but it's not at the same time, but it is. And then this is like a sponge, but it's hard. So we'll see if I get it wet. I'll try it and we'll see how we like it. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, and then last but not least, you have to find it. Where? Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is the Winky Luxe Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Get your best brows ever with this Universal Brow Pencil. $16. This must be like in taupe or something. Because that would be like the only real shade. And I'm so particular about my brow pencil. Universal shade, texture. It's pretty. Oh, it's one of those. I don't like these. Can you see that? It's one of those triangle-y tips. So yeah, that will not be kept. But that's okay. You guys benefit from that. So anyway, my box, $313 is what the total came to. And I got this Universal Brow Pencil by Winky Luxe. And Winky Luxe is a good brand. I have their little coffee latte palette that I got from my starter box in my purse all the time. I have used it many times. I love it. This little sponge thing that I will give a shot. This Spongel hand cream. And my ice roller that I'm super excited to use. The Kate Somerville goat milk hand cream, or not hand cream, face moisturizer. The Grace and Stella hyaluronic acid serum. The purse that just went sliding down. The R&Co Perfect TV hair. Ugh. My purse. And my add-ons. These. And my bento box. Oh, and then my Kula. So that's not bad. Not bad at all. Your box could have been worth $225.50 all the way up to $477. So I kind of landed in the middle. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. So everybody, go out and have a wonderful day. Have an adventure. Be safe about it. And Blessings to y'all. I love you. Bye.